Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left, the S go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we need to multiply by number 2 on numerator and the denominator. So we need to add about y in here. Later that we need to minus about y. Next, this one divide by this one. So we have number 1 y divided by y. So we have number 1. So that should be about 1 over y minus 1 over y plus number 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 1 over y, that is about Fn of the absolute value of y. The integration of this one, that is about Fn of the absolute value of y plus number 2. And I will put about c. This one, that is about s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.